So there's bobs and then there's this, okay? There's bobs, as Nene said, and there's this.
Your bob don't look like her. They're just tight. You're supposed to wear them straight. If she has her, she made.
Have you missed me? Because I've missed y'all. I really am giving like, I really am that girl. Let me log off. Let me log off. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mor, and if you want more, I'll give you more. It's 2024 and this is the look that I have decided to give you. It's giving new year, new do. This look is a updated 2024 everyday look. Whether you're going to work, going to school, going out, whether you just want to look presentable, this is the look for you. Super easy. Every item that I used in this video, absolutely affordable. Nothing's like high-end, everything is drugstore. If you want to see how I achieved this fabulous look, keep on watching. Okay, so this is my first makeup tutorial in 2024. It's still early. I mean, by the time this goes up, it will be sometime the end of Feb, but it's still early. Let's clip this hair back. So first things first, I'm the realist. First things first is the brows. So I'm gonna go in with my Brow Define by MUA. So I have my little Chanel mirror here. So first I'm gonna use the spoolie side of it first and just brush my brows. With my channel, I kind of just wanted to like take it in a different direction. I kind of just wanted to take it in like a different direction, but I don't think it's like working out like aesthetically, but that's okay. That is okay. So my channel has always been like lifestyle, makeup, and I kind of just wanted to like stick with more of like vlogs, lifestyle stuff, but it ain't working out, y'all. It ain't working out. So I think my strong suit is actually makeup, and I'm here to cater to women of color with makeup, period. Now I've discovered like a new concealer, and the brand is actually decent. I've been using it for like a couple weeks now, and it's 17 Second Skin Enhancing Concealer, and this is in the shade 002. Just open up here and I just take a little bit on the brush and just outline my brows. Now this is a little bit light, but we're all about enhancing the brows, okay? It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my heart, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. This year so far has been actually like a blessing. It's been a blessing so far. Like, we're only in February and I've got plans to like travel. I'm in a different city now, live my best life, work is good. Like, I can't complain. Like, God really is good. Am I the only one? I can't talk when I'm doing my brows. I gotta pause. And there we go. Yeah. So given that this is like an updated everyday type makeup, you don't need that much product. Some of the things I'm going to be using them on rotation. So we're going to go under the eyes and use the same concealer that we used for our eyebrows. Your fire is consuming. I don't usually do the chin, but today we're gonna do the chin. Then I'm gonna go with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Mahogany. I'm gonna use this for contour. And then I'm gonna take this liquid brush by Technique, and this is like red. It's like red. And just put it underneath here. Ooh. We're gonna get to blending. I got my damp beauty blender here. I love these. I don't know if you guys have the black one, but these are so good. And let's get to blending. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn. I'm just gonna use the flat part here, squeeze it, and use that for the blush. In my own way, so I enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. So this is kind of like my everyday type look, and I've noticed I don't use like that much like foundation, you know, but my makeup sits on pretty nice and pretty well for the rest of the day, which is what we want, you know. So I'm just gonna go in with this double coverage matte foundation, just mainly on the chin, a bit on the cheek, and on the forehead. I'm sorry y'all, but y'all cannot tell me that this hair is not laid. Are you kidding? Instead of my beauty blender, I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush and just blend it out nicely. I feel like everyone's makeup now, it's giving like simplicity. It's giving, I'm not overdoing it, but if I did overdo it, I know it would look good, but I don't need to overdo it because with minimal makeup, I still look good, you know? That's what it's giving. No lashes for me. I had lash extensions on like 3 or 4 days ago, and then took them off. I was like, let's just do some mascara, you know? Even though I know I literally look bald without any lashes. You know what, I might get some lashes actually, because the way I be looking, I don't have these little powder puffs. Y'all need to get these little powder puffs, okay? Because these are so cute. And I like the little pockets that they have. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Again, you guys already know the drill. She goes in with her Laura Mercier translucent powder. Oh, that thing. Even though I didn't conceal the forehead, I like to just go over the forehead and the brows, my lids a little bit, and the bridge of my nose. Because my brows do get oily. Again from 17, this is the finishing powder, and this is in 80. So I really like this. brown shade. I was looking for a nice like powder that was like my shade, and I couldn't find it anywhere. I looked in Sleek, because usually Sleek do like some really good powders for women of color. But the time that I went, they did, I guess they just didn't have any. She's coming together, guys. She's coming together. So we're gonna contour, and I'm gonna use this contour palette from Revolution. You guys already know the bronzer, okay? It's the Revolution Glow in Dark. Obviously it's not dark, but it's giving that glow. Stop playing. Watch when I put this on. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Do you see the difference? Look at that. Nothing, something. If you guys know any really good bronzers, let me know and I'll try them out. Just drop them in the comments because I need a really good bronzer. I haven't really been like a big fan of blush, but this blush from Technique, when I say I have to mix them, but I mix this one and this one together. When I say it's giving, it's giving. Like, you don't want too much blush, but it's giving. So for the eyes, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner in Jet Black. Be patient with me, guys. Be patient with me, please. Here I go. Here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you need. I literally have to hold my breath when I'm doing my eyeliner. It's gonna burn for me to say this. So as I said, no lashes, but we're gonna curl these lashes and go in with a whole lot of mascara. I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. Come on, do you guys see a difference or no? Do you? Scrumptious, scrumdiddly yum yum. Scrumdiddly yum yum. You know what it is? Brown lip liner. Oh, this mirror is giving me some kind of effect. Oh, look at that. Yes. Benny's everything for me, everything I need. I will be nothing if you didn't give me the reason to be. I love the packaging of this. It's a Next lipstick. Can you believe it? Look at that. It's like magnetic. My favorite, my go-to lip gloss. I think I might eventually come out with my own lip gloss, the way I love off lip gloss. And this is clear. Usually I would have like an off pink, but this one is clear this time. Clear. I say clear. And this kind of just like solidifies the look. Ugh. Are you kidding? And I think this is the finished look, guys. So I'll be right back. So you guys, this is the finished look. It's giving. It's giving mature. It's giving... What can I help you with? Do you have my money? Do you have that deposit? Check, please. It's already even boss. Whenever you have a bob, it's giving boss. You got the boss bob. You got the boss bob. I don't know where I'm going,
but I'm going out.
Everyone needs to see this look. Everyone needs to see what I have done. But I hope you guys enjoy this look. And this is the first look of the new year. So I hope you enjoyed it. Drop a flower in the comments, you know, because we're giving that flower, we're giving that feminine energy, okay? So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.